Pioneer mini splits, 18,000 BTU each. Getting set up. Got 2 to put up. This one's already done. About to get it mounted. Working on the second one. Just can't feed this cable through. Turn on the flash. Oh. Here it is. Got it. Sorry.
This is a cricket, bro.
Better not be. Looking better. Just
Get the one who made it happen.
help her do that.
I didn't do that.
Let it rest on the ladder.
He got me doing everything. I need some rest.
We got it. Got these set. Cutting them up so we can flare them. Cutting these off. Oh yeah. That's what's left over.
You got me video me recording with the freaking. I'm not cutting it with that.
Yeah, we lost our knife. Got one running right now. Still need to cover it up and fix that line. This other one is under vacuum. We'll fix that line, straighten it up, put insulation on it. It's chilly in here. Not bad. That ain't on yet. We didn't do that. I don't know what happened there, but oh well. We'll have that one running here shortly. Got them both running. They're good to go now. That's all hooked up. This one's hooked up. Show y'all these outside units. Check it out. Have to put line height on it later. We ain't got none right now. But that's what it'll be.